You haven't really seen Vagamon. What you saw was just one hill. This place is made of hills. There are so many spots people talk about. Tangalpara, Mottakunna and a bunch of other tourist spots. But I didn't go to any of them. It was a holiday season and I didn't want to get pushed around by crowds. That's the whole point of having a motorcycle. You can go to wherever you want, slip out of the noise and find your own corners. So I decided to ride towards a quieter place, the Kurishumala Ashram. ആശ്രമത്തിലേക്ക് വണ്ടി കയറാൻ പാടില്ലേ? അല്ല, കാണാൻ വേണ്ടിട്ടാ. ആ, ആണോ? ആ, ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് അവിടെ വരെ പോയിട്ട് തിരിച്ച് പോക്കോട്ടെ. ആ, ആ, ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ, ശരി. Kurishumala Ashram was quiet and peaceful, the kind of silence that makes you slow down without even realizing it. Built in 1957, it's an autonomous monastery under the Siro Malangara Church, and you can feel the age in its walls. The architecture, the colors, the textures, everything had that gentle touch of time. Look at the meadows here. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. That's so beautiful. By 4 o'clock, it becomes like this, all moody, all foggy, and it's so beautiful. Oh, look at that. How beautiful is this? So cute. Oh my god. Wow. Like wow. Take a look at all of this. My god, that looks beautiful. Woo! Take a look at that view for a second, bro. Should I? Yeah. After leaving Kurishumala, I just followed a random road and ended up at a quiet spot with some stunning views. How foggy, the whole hills, everything has been just covered with fog. Oh. By evening, Vagamon was covered in a thick fog, like a shy, beautiful girl who never fully reveals herself. There is no petrol available here, so you have to get petrol in black. The whole place had a soft red glow, almost like the hills were trying to say something to me. The next morning, I decided to leave. Hello, good morning. So that's the property that we've been staying in, and it's early 6 o'clock. This is my second day in Vagamon. I feel like I can spend a solid month here and explore this place properly. That's how I feel right now. I at least wanted to, spend at least one more day here so that I can just go around. So see, Varatameda takes one day because, you if you're riding your bike all the way up, that is, it is physically challenging and you will be exhausted by the end of it. So that's exactly what happened yesterday. So right now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go get coffee in the morning.
ഈ പല സ്ഥലങ്ങളിലേക്ക് ഇറക്കി കൊടുക്കുന്ന കുറ്റിയല്ലേ.
So I decided to not spend another day here in Vagamon. I decided to just leave, and probably today we can go ahead and see some of the places on the way with a loaded bike as much as we can see. Yeah, and that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna say bye to Sijo Chetan, and he told me a route. Like, he told me that he'll show me a route which is a lot more scenic and better. So we'll try and go take that route towards Idyllic. This bush, right? That bush that goes here. That is a big headache, man, on the Himalayan. It fails all the time. I've already changed it twice. I changed it twice and I feel like I want to change it again because it is just gone. Oh, that's the Tangalpara. You see right here. What you see right in front of me is Mottakunna. This is where everybody comes. This is the Pine Valley. Pine Valley is so close to the Varatameda. That is Varatameda, which we climbed yesterday, and the pine forest is just next to that. I never found pine forests interesting, mostly because they are packed with people. But not this one. This forest was empty, and that's when you really start noticing things. I just saw a wild deer. I could only see its ass, but I saw it running. Started to see people and they're all asking me, what is there to see here? It's all this pine forest, or is there anything else? Bro, what are you expecting? You came to pine forest and you asked me what else is there other than pine forest. Hey. Tired. So that's it. We are going back to where we parked the bike. Another one. From there, I rode deeper into Idyllic.